Okay, today I'll be unboxing beads that haven't been used since 1999. This had like a ton of these really tiny seed beads, but they're also so colorful. I think they'd be so fun to use. And then it had this lid on top that had a bunch of other beads in it. Okay, these are so cute. They're like glass, I'm pretty sure. There's all these different colors too. I love them. And then there were some beads in the center right here. And then I found out you can like lift off the top, and there was just a bunch of stuff in there, like pliers, string, all that kind of stuff, like just like a bunch of stuff to like help you make it. I really don't know why there's a bunch of those in there. Okay, and these are all like the seed bead containers they came with. I think there's 4. This one's so pretty, it has all like these green and blues in it. And oh my gosh, they're so tiny. Look at it compared to my finger. Okay, then there's like this blue and red and brown container. I love these colors. And oh my gosh, I just mixed my finger on here and they are just flying out of the container. And there's black and whites, which I really like this one. I think it just has some really pretty colors in it. There they go again, flying everywhere. And then this one, the second I opened it up, they went everywhere and they're like filled up too much. So when I tried to fix it, I honestly just made it worse. They're literally gonna be all over my desk. Okay, and then closer look at these. There's like these really pretty ones. This one looked like a leaf. I really love it. I think it'd be so cute. And like a bracelet or something. Oh, and then I found another leaf. Oh, I really like this one too. This one's really cute. There's this blue beads. I'm pretty sure these are glass. I really don't know what this is. I think it's a flower. It's kind of hard to tell. And there's this heart. I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these yellow beads. This one's just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Kind of looks like cheese. Oh, and then I found an escapee, and like it was taking me a long time to get to it. And then I finally got to it, and I put it back in its blue container. Oh, the pinks and reds were super pretty. This one's so cute. All the pinks and reds. Gosh, and the red one. This one looks this just one, it just reminds me so much of licorice. I don't know what I'd use it for. I just love it. Oh, and then there's a dolphin in this one. The browns and like kind of purples, I'd say. And I also found this flower, but I think it's missing like a chip in it. It looks like it's missing and it feels like it's missing something. And then there was also another leaf. It's a brown leaf. And oh my gosh, don't mind my desk. It's covered in beads. But I don't really know what this is. I found it. It's like metal. I don't know what it does. I think it's for something. But I don't know. And then there were some pliers, which these are way nicer than the ones I have. Mine like always like slide off, like the handles. But these ones I don't think they will. And then there was some really thin thread. I don't know if I'll ever use it. And then the top just fell off on me, and like the whole thing fell apart. Okay, and then there was like these like shiny like black things. I think I already showed you these at the beginning of the video. Just a closer look at them. And then here are the silver ones. I don't really know why they're different than the seed beads, but oh, and then I already showed us that there's like a huge bag of safety pins. I really have no idea what this is for. And I don't even know what this is. I thought it was a coin at first, but then I'm not really sure anymore. Okay, and this is everything I got. I think this is really cool. Bye!